Thank you, Madam. Now I'd like to invite the spouse of the Prime Minister of the People's Republic of Bangladesh, Her Excellency Zubaida Rahman.
Thank you. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Madam First Lady of the United States, Mrs. Melania Trump, distinguished first spouses, excellencies, industry leaders, ladies and gentlemen, a very good morning to you all. It is a great honor to join you all today at the historic Fostering the Future Together Global Coalition Summit. I sincerely thank the First Lady for bringing us together from across the world for a cause that touches every nation, the promise and potential of our children. We recognize that the future of every country is written in the lives of its children. The care we provide today, the education we invest in, and the values we nurture will shape the nations they build tomorrow. I come here at an important moment for my country, under the leadership of my husband, Tariq Rahman, the Prime Minister of Bangladesh. Our recently elected democratic government has taken office with an overwhelming mandate to build a more inclusive and forward-looking nation. Our government has already launched initiatives such as the Family Card and Farmers Card, providing financial benefits that strengthen households and also ensure children grow in secure, nurturing environments. As a medical doctor, I'm deeply committed to ensuring accessible, quality health care for every child, focusing not only on treatment, but on prevention from the earliest stages of life. My work with the Ziaur Rahman Foundation and Shurobhi has further strengthened my dedication to advancing education, youth development, and community well-being. We believe that responsible use of artificial intelligence can transform education, especially in countries like Bangladesh, where access to trained teachers and resources remain uneven. Our government is equipping both teachers and students with the tools they need to thrive in a digital age. Our government is providing teachers with tablet computers, updating teaching materials, digital curricula, and innovative methods. Classrooms are evolving to include multimedia contents, encouraging teamwork, creativity, and moral development. Technology, particularly EdTech, plays a central role in reducing disparities between urban and rural communities. At the same time, we are committed to ensuring the safe and ethical use of these tools so that children grow in secure and supportive environments. Bangladesh has a strong legacy in empowering women. Former Prime Minister Begum Khaleda Zia advanced women's rights and introduced free education for girls up to grade 12. Our government is committed to ensuring free education for women up to postgraduate levels. Shahid President Ziaur Rahman laid the foundation of the garment industry, creating opportunities for millions of women. These efforts demonstrate that when women are empowered, families are strengthened and children prosper. We also recognize the importance of partnerships. By working with the private sector and our global partners, we aim to expand safe digital spaces, train teachers, empower parents, and improve the quality of education for all. With strong technological cooperation, we seek to connect every region, protect every child, and personalize every learning journey. Together, we can raise a generation that is resilient, compassionate, and prepared for the future. In closing, I express my heartfelt gratitude to the Madam First Lady of the United States. By sharing knowledge, learning from one another, and collaborating across borders, we strengthen not only our nations, but the future of our children and the world they will inherit. Thank you very much.